another video. This video is not sponsored by Squarespace. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Andres Hernandez. I'm a photographer based in New York City. Today I have a couple of things I wanted to share with you. Yesterday I shot really nice portraits with two girls. I used a large format camera that I have never used before. A few days ago, a really good friend of mine, she's like my mentor in photography, she called me and said, hey, you know what, I have this camera, I'm not using it, and I wanted to give it to you because I know you're gonna take care of it, you're gonna be using it. So she gave me a really beautiful, like it looks like brand new. She bought it in 1987 when she was at school in San Francisco. It's a Sinar F2, I think. She gave me her whole kit, from the lenses, the camera, the dark cloth, 20 film holders, everything, literally everything that I need for a shoot with this camera. And I'm very grateful. But let's go back to what I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today. I shot with these two girls. I used the Sinar camera, my new camera, and I wanted for you to see what we got. For this shoot, I had this inspiration from a couple of paintings that I found over the internet doing research and everything. I contact a model agency here in New York City. They send me one of the girls, and then I contact another friend of mine. I worked with her before. She's an actress and she does a lot of theater and stuff like that. She said, yes, let's do it. Also, there's this place, the guy has like a showroom for sofas. The sofas are beautiful. He let me use his Brooklyn space to shoot this test with this camera, and I mean, you're gonna see what we got. I'm very, very happy with the results. After the shoot, I have to develop. I can send these negatives to a lab, but I wanted to get my hands on and to process. I shot everything on, I think it was, let me see, I think this film, the Astia 100. It's expired. So the date is 1998-99. All right, so let's take a look at the second model, Sasha. Conclusions. This was my first time working with the Schneider camera. It has more adjustments and the movements and everything. I wasn't used to this camera, but I did it. I went through the whole shoot. I took my time. One of the things that I did, I was testing, because I don't have a Polaroid for this camera. The FP100 is very expensive and it's difficult to get nowadays. I was shooting to test the lights and everything, the pose and everything. I was shooting with the digital camera just to see what I was capturing. Some of you guys are gonna say, hey, you're cheating. It's not. I mean, digital is a tool. What I want to get in the end is the quality from the negative that a 4x5 camera gives me. Negative or positive? Positive is for this type of film that I use. And yeah, that was very helpful for me. I want to take a moment to thank everybody that has been watching all my videos and commenting. Guys, I want to know more about you. What do you guys shoot? What kind of camera are you using? You can leave the comment below. There's this guy that he wrote me a message, I think it was yesterday. I think he's gonna let me borrow a really nice lens, the Hector, for me to test on the Schneider. I have to get in contact with him. Alright, so we're done for today. Don't forget, if you wanna see more about my journey with analog photography and the 4x5 cameras that I've been using lately, and medium format as well, just follow me, subscribe to my channel, give a like or something, so it helps me to promote the channel. And thank you guys, thank you for sticking around, and till next time.